So I was going off-roading, we're gonna go shooting, and I tried to do an obstacle, and I think I blew up my rear diff, but four-wheel drive still works. The front wheels are pulling me. I'm front-wheel drive right now. I'm like a Honda, so we'll see what happens. We're still gonna go shoot, and then we'll go back and diagnose the problem, I guess. This sucks, man. All right, we're gonna fix it though. No big deal. No big deal, Chris?
No big deal.
No big deal. We got this. All right, we're gonna knock on Jeep. Knock on Jeep. We're gonna get back.
It's already broken.
Nah, come on, don't say that. So we're coming up the hill, and I tried to take an obstacle, and I think I blew up the transfer case or the rear diff. I think it's the transfer case, honestly. But we'll see when we get home. It still drives front-wheel drive, so we'll see.
Chris is calling diff.
Chris is calling diff. I'm calling transfer case, so we'll see. No, drag shaft is moving. It is the gears. Uh-oh. So I was planning on going shooting with my friends, and we did, but I did an obstacle up on the mountains, and I just heard fucking Chris. I heard like gears crunching. I thought it was a transfer case. It turns out it's not. It's something in the rear diff. So we're gonna take it apart. We're gonna open it, see if it's the gears or if it's an axle shaft, and then we'll go from there. So let me show you what I'm gonna do.
I'm guessing gears.
All right, well, we'll see. And if it is gears, because I am running 33, so I'll be able to upgrade to the proper gearing for that. So I don't really mind, but we will see right now. So the first step is gonna be to take off all the bolts here and then split the cover off. That way we could drain the oil into this oil pan here, and then check the gears, because I don't know, it might be the gears or an axle shaft that broke, so we'll see.
Hey Jonathan, you want to know why you broke it?
Why?
It's because you're wearing a Send It shirt and you sent it a little too hard.
No, I'm not gonna wear the shirt anymore then.
I think we sent her a little too hard there, boys.
Too hard. All right, there she goes. All right, the oil does not look that bad. It's brown, but I don't see any shavings. Oh. I see it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Where is it at?
I'll show you right now. Get the light. It's in my driver's door. So, we have some metal shavings here. Let me show you guys in the axle. All right, so can you guys see the damage? I can. That looks messed up. You know what though? I think we can weld this and it should be fine, honestly. We'll have like a lock differential, right?
Yeah.
I mean, the gears back there, they look fine. Let me see if I can get that for you. That looks fine. The only thing that looks messed up is this here. So I honestly think we're just gonna weld it and send it, because why not? Yeah. That looks pretty messed up though. But at least we found the problem. Now, yeah, I think for now we're just gonna weld it, and honestly that'll get me going and that'll work for a while. What do you think, Chris? Should we weld it?
Yeah, let's weld it.
Oh, and also we just got a welder, so that'll be perfect for this. All right, so it's been a couple days since the incident with the Jeep. Unfortunately, it's not driving right now. The Jeep is at Chris's house. And after talking to a bunch of you guys through Instagram and you guys helping me out, I came up with a solution for what I'm gonna do with the Jeep. For now, I'm actually gonna weld the rear because I need something to get me going, but that's not all we're gonna do. A lot of you guys suggested to upgrade the axle to the Dana 44A from the V8 version, which is stronger than the Dana 35 that's on there. So down here in Southern California, there's a bunch of junkyards with Jeep Grand Cherokees. So I'm actually gonna go take one out of there. So we're gonna get the Dana 44A out of one of those, and then I'm gonna upgrade the gearing for the tires, the bigger tires, that way it runs better. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, well, why don't you just get a regular Dana 44 instead of the 44A, because the Dana 44 is stronger. The reason is I don't really have that much money to spend on that, and then I would have to get a conversion kit, and that's even more money, and I can't afford that. And then the Dana 44A is just pretty much plug and play, right? The spring perches are in the same spot, the shock's the same spot, since it's from a WJ, so I don't have to worry about all that, and it'll do way better than the Dana 35. So that's the reason we're going with that axle. But like I said, for now we're gonna weld the Dana 35 probably this weekend. I did end up picking up a welder from one of those Harbor Freight ones, the titanium, the green box ones, So we're gonna try welding the diff and see how that goes. And I know it's not a good thing to do, but that axle, I'm actually gonna recycle it, so I'm not worried about it. It's only gonna be for a couple of days until I pick up the Dana 44. That way I have a car to get me going. Oh, also, I did get some headlights for a Toyota Tundra that I'm going to be putting on. So expect some Tundra content that's different on the channel. We're going to try it out. And then also some JK content coming soon as well. So hope you guys are excited. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.